Welcome back traders and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss BTCUSD scenario, and this will be the same setup which I have last time discussed, the institutional order flow and trade drill. So without further ado, let's break down this chart. We have this all-time high, our drawn liquidity. Once we saw a break and close above this candle's open price, we have seen a change in the state of delivery. This was our first drawn liquidity. And if you are in my community groups or following me on Twitter or Instagram, you have seen us targeting this high. This was market maker program, sell program, and then buy program on 4-hour time frame. So we were targeting this high, and once we saw closing, strong closing above this high, then this will be our next round liquidity. So just before this round liquidity, we have seen a huge rejection. That is very likely, and it is what I personally want from the market, to create such rejections when once it comes close to these liquidities. So on hourly chart, we have seen a sell size liquidity sweep. Personally, I wanted this as well to be swept, but we have seen a sweep, another sweep, change in the state of delivery, fair value gap, again expansion, fair value gap, and a huge up close candle. When I saw the market, this candle was this was printed. It was, I think this candle was running. Then I executed the setup, and I had to do it very quickly because I had to move out and visit a friend of mine. So I just entered here, and I will discuss on 5-minute time frame. By the way, this is 15-minute fair value gap. We have this drawn liquidity, previous day high sweep, rejection or reaction from that previous day high, back into the fair value gap, and this is what makes it the best, the institutional order flow and trade drill. We exactly know that the price will not mitigate the complete fair value gap. It will just, the upper portion will be mitigated only, like most of the time the 25% portion. The remaining 75% of the portion most of the time remains open. So this is the beauty of institutional order flow and trade drill. And then we will see explosive moves like this. On 5-minute time frame, I just entered here because I knew it will not, it cannot hit our SL at all, because this is the candle that has created a displacement. So placing a stop loss on this open price, I personally prefer placing stop loss below this midpoint. So this is, for me, most of the time works perfectly. Otherwise, I can also use this stop loss. So I entered here and I just switched off my setup and let it run. Either way, these are the after the fact annotations for my Twitter space. So we have this buy side liquidity, minus sell side liquidity, displacement, reversal. We have seen this fair value gap, back into the fair value gap. I were to be on my setup, I would have executed another position over here. But when I saw the market again, this candle was printed, I entered again with this target and stop loss just below this candle's low. That was the setup, and you can see the executions, beautiful executions. Now just a brief look on trading view. We have this all-time high. On this liquidity, we saw a rejection, as well as from the rejection block as well. We have this rejection block. So it is very likely that it will give a reaction. For this was our sell program, and then once we switch into buy program, targeting this original consolidation. High, low. I wanted this 4-hour fair value gap to be mitigated, but I didn't get it. Okay. Hourly time frame. Let's apply some period separate. This previous day high, we have seen reversal in the New York PM session, which is ideal for reversal profiles, and explosive move right in our Asian kill zone. It will appear on 15-minute time frame. So this is our Asian kill zone. Right. 22nd hour. There should be. It's perfect. Accumulation, expansion away from it, and then back into the fair value gap, explosive move again. So one thing is confirming these markets sooner or later they are going to create another all-time high. Same is the case for gold, same for NQEF and Dow Jones. Today's video, that's enough. I will come again with an English video next Sunday. Till then, goodbye, folks.